In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo S40 key fob. This is a very easy process and it will just take you a few minutes. You will need a few things. You'll need one CR2032 battery, which you can get online, and if you would like to, go check out that first link down in the description. That will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. The next thing we're going to need is a Torx head screwdriver. You can see that screw right there. It looks like a star. You will need a Torx head like the one I have right here. This is a Torx head size 8, and there will be a link in the description as well to get a set of a cheap set of Torx head screwdrivers. If you're interested, check that out as well. So what we want to do, the only hard part here is just having the right screwdriver. And once we pull the screw out, it is quite easy. So once you have the screw out of there, start to open it, and then don't just snap it open because there are these tabs up here. And what you want to do is start to open and then push up so that this comes off nicely without breaking off those tabs. And now we have the battery, and you can just kind of get it with your fingernail, or if not, with something like a flathead screwdriver. And all we want to do is just gently lift up the battery from this little opening on the side. There we go. Now, when you're putting in your new CR2032, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And it just goes right back in there. Snap it down into place, and we can put it back together now. So you want to first slide this down kind of onto these two tabs. You can see now that they're in there, you can squeeze everything back together and put the screw in there. And tighten it up. There we go. I hope that was easy enough. You should have a new battery in there now and be good to go for a very long time with that battery. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like, which I greatly appreciate. And if you ever need help with another key, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.